Good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm looking at ES Emini hourly chart right now. So as I said yesterday, the price dropped to 42.80s and it has a bounce. And then when it meet the EMA, it drop again. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, price has been in this range. Okay, so I'm looking at this chart and I see a spike and a channel. Yesterday I saw a wedge. Now this big bear bar break the wedge, but it stopped at the lower edge of the channel. And after it bounced, this market has become a trading range. So what's my trading plan today? Oh no, I think the market is still always in short. But will it drop even further than this big bullish bar? I don't know. I think it would not drop even further than this bullish bar. I noticed this big bear bar is very big, and this bounce back did not reach the top of this. So it's still always in short. But I'm thinking there should be some buying here. So this is my buying zone here. And for me, the selling zone would be higher than this bar. So that would be 43.80 to 43.60. Okay, so between these two zones, I'm thinking to buy low, sell high, and scalp. Okay, so it's for the lower 1/3 of the range, it's gonna be a buy zone. The upper 1/3 of the range will be a sell room. Okay, and look at the 5-minute chart. Today it will be a gap from yesterday's closing. Right now price is here. It's 9:20 now. So 10 more minutes, the market will open. Okay. And all we see here is a trading range, really messy trading range. So I think there are some really good buying going on here, but it did not reach to yesterday's closing. Yesterday's closing was 65, and the highest point from last night's global session was 61. So we still have some gap here. Though yesterday the market dropped so fast here from 7 Eastern time, 7 p.m. Eastern time. I don't know what happened during the Asian session, because usually Asian session is very slow, and I don't know why there is a big drop here. Okay, but it seems like this big drop is the only big drop they're gonna have. Okay, later we're gonna be in this trading range. So maybe today will still be a trading range, I don't know. Because the market is always in short, but we have so many support lines here and buying zone here. Okay, we'll see. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This is 3 in the afternoon. I just finished my last trade. I'm gonna show you the trade I made today. Just let it plot it. Text and marker. Okay. So this is a terrible morning. Okay, so I start with a losing trade. As you can see, I bought at the very top of the range. As the market dropped, I sold one contract Oh my gosh. Okay, just got a phone call. So I started morning with a big losing trade. So bought 2 here, get out of 1 here, add 2 here. When the market went back to me, I got off 2 here, and then I get off the last one here. So I was minus 2,000, I guess. So like here, I bought 1 contract and sold here. It's just small game. And I bought 2 here because I see this big buying bar, this big bull bar, and it's in my buy zone. So I bought 2 here and I hold this 2 contract to here, sold 1 and sold another one. Okay, and then I bought 1 here, sold it here, and then when I see this big push up, I bought 1 here, and I saw this one goes all the way up here. I moved my stop loss just below the first bearish bar, and the market went back and hit my stop loss. Okay, and then I kind of slowed down. I bought 1 contract here, enduring a pullback, and sold my contract here. Only see the market went up without me. Okay, so from here, this whole market is actually in a trading range. When I saw these 2 pullback, I instantly put the 50% here. And I see this, the 100% would be like around 35. And the market did went to the 35. And then it started to fall. Okay, because my buyers today is bullish. So I didn't sell anything here. I saw this big push down. And I did nothing, okay, and it is also my lunchtime, so I didn't do anything here, and I was minus $800. So I was eager to find a trade. I want to be green today, so I was eager to find a trade, but because my buyers is bullish today, I don't want to sell anything here. So I think this is the selling zone. If we look at this 5-minute chart, the opening of today, like 20, is a selling, it's a selling point, and when it goes up, the market slows down. So 30 is also a selling point. So because my bias is bullish, so I waited to come back to my buy zone. My buy zone is below the 50% trading range. The best buy zone is here, like between 61.8% and 76.4%. Okay, and because this is if I look at this 1 hour chart, I can see 2 big good size bullish bar here. Okay, and when this bar is forming and the 3rd bar goes up, I was thinking, well, if it didn't go back, then we'll have a gap here on the very high of this little bullish bar. Okay, so the market probably will come back here, and there might be some buyer here. Okay, so I just patiently wait until the market come back to my buying zone. And here I sold 1 here. Okay, I said my buyers is long, so I wasn't very comfortable selling here. Although I see the market is in a downtrend, so I sold here. And when the market dropped, I put my stop loss just to be 2 ticks above below break even. And then the market went back and hit my stop loss. I got stop out. And this is my only short trade here. And I saw the market come back. down to the 61.8% level, and there's a big buy-in and 3 consecutive bullish bar. So when I see the market come back to the level and there's a big bullish bar here, I bought right here. I bought one right here. When the market went up, I saw the EMA is holding, so I sold here. Okay, only see the market went up. But there is a bearish trend line here. So I see the market went down. I was expecting the market to go back to this low because it looks like to me it's a wedge. Okay. My bias is bullish. So when I saw a wedge, I'm instantly thinking about buying at low. So I see these. This is the first good size bullish bar. Okay, so I'm thinking to buy at the low of the bar. I didn't do it. I want to see a good size signal bar. Plus, it's not even at this wedge's lower end. So I want to see an overshoot of the wedge and instantly buy back. So I'll buy there. Okay, so I saw this big drop. I was preparing my 2 contract and overshoot, pull back. So I bought right here. And I sold right at the high of the previous drop. And I was out. So this morning I came from minus 2,000 to 500 plus. I'm happy. So I hope you have a great week as well. So this week my profit is 1,700. Okay, and I'll keep trading next week. Okay, that's all. Thank you.